Are you a painter that's tired of manually stirring every single paint formula?
Don't you have better things to do with your time, like prepping, masking, and getting parts ready for paint? Think of how much time is wasted on every job by manually stirring. Wouldn't you like the peace of mind knowing that your paint formula is mixed thoroughly each time? Wouldn't you like to have the peace of mind knowing that you won't have color match issues due to inadequate stirring? The Rotogen 1000 is a true game changer with the most revolutionary paint mixing machine ever to be produced. Introduced over 10 years ago in Germany, the Rotogen 1000 is used by almost every major paint company today. Use Waterborne paint? No problem. The Rotogen does not create foam like the infamous shaker. Yikes, what a mess! Go to rotogen1000.com and fill out the contact form, and we'll be in touch.